What's up guys, welcome back to another video. I'm gonna be reviewing this website called Gamehag. And this website, basically you play games and you get money. Right now they're doing an event where you get 20% more, and it's pretty epic. So as you see, there's my account. I currently have 339 gems, which is the currency, and you can redeem those gems for rewards. So like game skins, Amazon money, Steam gift cards, Penguin, I don't know what that is, Fortnite. I think this is the Save the World or something. I really don't know. You can get Minecraft. There's a lot more. You can like click on title and like search here, like PayPal. I don't know if they have it since it's like a gaming website. Yeah, whatever. So if you go, let me just show you that I'm not doing this just as an affiliate or something, because right here there's the referral system.
For every active user, which is a user who earned 1,000 soul gems, you get 200. And that system isn't that good. It's pretty bad. You don't get like a percentage of their income or anything. Like down here you get this, but as you saw in the rewards, so you get 200 from here and then like a few from here. That's like 500. I don't even get that many views on my videos right now. And that's just, and so if you look here, the rewards, the referral system really wouldn't cover much, like a random Steam key, but who really wants that? There's an Amazon gift card, which is 300. Let's see how much is it? See, $5 is 200. So if I'm getting, 2,000, 3,000 actually, I'm gonna pay 200 every person that reaches 1,000. And it's not gonna be that much. I need like 15-ish, like 10, and that'll get me to 200, and 2,000, and then the 5 more will get me to 300. And that'll be at $5. $5 really?
So the referral system really sucks. It's not that good. Of course I'm gonna put the link in the description, my referral link, just because I support the channel. So the referral system isn't really that good. There's a few games you can play here. A few games you can play here. When you play them, you get these numbers of gems. There's a few right here category. MMOs and stuff, and do these three. There's browser games you can play on your browser, which I actually used to get this much. I don't know if you can go into my activities. I used to have like a lot of, so yeah, I've earned 3,000 from playing browser games, from the browser games alone, because I didn't really want to. The laptop I'm using to record this isn't that good. Just gonna tell you that. So yeah, you just let's see, this game, it says 4K, gives you 4K, which is enough to buy 2 Amazon gift cards. Okay, so upgrade your base to the 13th level, you get 1,000 already, and more than half. And then to see the next one, you need, of course, to complete the first one. Yeah, this is my first time recording in a bit, bro. I just got this new mic. So let's see this one, Raid Shadow Legends.
This one is for your phone, I'm pretty sure. You'll have to download it on your mobile. 400 for achieve level 4 on your account. And then the rest is probably gonna be like upgrade this, level up and stuff. Cross out. Let's see how easy this one is. Excellent. Win 15 battles.
And the good thing about this is that if you like are thinking of, oh, what game should I play now? What's a fun game? You can just come to this website, right? And then pick out one of these games and sign up with the email you use to sign up to this website, and the same name. Because if you don't use the same name or email, they can't verify that it's you. There's actually more ways. Like you can buy more gems if you like want to convert like the currency you have right now into soul gems. You can go through Gamehag or direct payment, which a direct payment would be your credit card, and yeah, credit card, your Mint, your Dollar General. $1 for 500 soul gems, and you can buy that. You can convert your currencies. There's contracts, which are actually just like offers here, like all of Universe. It's like for Android and stuff. And there's an app for your phone too. I'm not gonna show you that, like, because I'm currently on desktop. But yeah, right here, sign up, buy your first beer, and you get this. Cancer Society, make a 21 monthly minimum donation. You'll get this. You have some cash and rewards. Sign up, install the app, send your first log of data. This, and there's just a ton. There's Raid again. They're everywhere. There's a whole community where you can like write articles and get paid for it, but you have to be like really good at writing. Like, if you just go here, write an article. There's articles about many games, and yeah, here are the instructions. I'm not gonna read it all, it's long. Must have at least 2,500 symbols, which is just characters like but you can't do that. They'll actually look at your paragraph and see that you actually just didn't do it. So yeah, you can write an article. If it would load, it's pretty slow. Get the app. Yeah, you can earn money on the app. Complete task, which is just the games. Carry out the contracts, which is the offers. Mini games, which is, I'm not even gonna show you them. They suck. Like, they're super hard, and if you get to, and like, they give so little gems. You can create articles. You can buy more, of course. Like us on Facebook, you can like a few. I'm pretty sure you won't get anything. And can be sent from those. Oh yeah, you can send soul gems to your friends if you reach level 6, which I'm currently at level 3 right here. And talk on the forums. You'll get, I don't think you get anything, but maybe you do, but it's not a lot. So that's it for this video. Like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Yes, share it. And I'll see y'all later. I want to reach 1,000 subs by the end of the year. Goodbye. I'll see y'all later.